This is Mystikal N M-h in the countryside, watching the rain fall on planet Earth. I've been held hostage here for 3 weeks. Tomorrow will be 3 weeks, and I plan to escape next week, I think. Been baking lots of cakes and eating them, so obviously my jeans have been a little tight, and as always I've been doing writing in my own way, and yeah, it's I think I'm getting a little bit spacey now, sort of 3 weeks in, and should probably think about a definite plan for escape next week. So wishing you guys a happy Friday, and just reminding you that if you're in a rainy place like me, there is some blue sky and sun up there somewhere. Hello? I can see it. There it is. That's where it's located, I think. Yeah. Beautiful. This is Mystikal N M-h sending Friday love to fellow travellers. Over and out.